Hello everyone, my name is Ali Raza and today we will discuss what is graph. But first let me tell you what is Web 2. The information we search in our everyday life on Google and Facebook, these are all the example of Web 2. Like where one entity or an organization has the full access over the data of the user and can do whatever they want to do. Let me give you an example of it. Here's centralized finance. Here's the bank. It is a centralized authority where this bank has the full access and power over the user information and user funds. If this user wants to withdraw his her funds, he first must ask the bank, and then, but keep in mind, he cannot withdraw all of his funds. But and imagine this is a server like a Facebook server, and these are the user or clients. If this user wants to communicate with this user or this user wants to communicate with this user, they these user must have to use the central authority, which is the server, and behind the server there is an organization again who has the control and full access of the data, and many times they sell the data. Whereas in decentralized system, if this user wants to communicate with this user, or this user wants to sell his or her funds to this user or this user, they can communicate directly with each other. No centralized authority or entity required, and this make the decentralized system stronger than centralized system. And here in decentralized system, the user has full access over his data. No one can touch his or her data without his intention. Now that you understand what is Web 2 and Web 3 basics, I hope so. And now imagine you have a phone diary or telephone directory in a simple word where you write down phone numbers throughout the year. And imagine if it is scattered through the diary. You have to flip each and every page every time you want a number, hoping you will find the number. Same in blockchain, where the data is difficult to find, so here comes the graph to save us. The graph is an indexing protocol for organizing blockchain data and making it easily accessible with GraphQL. GraphQL is a query language. It allows developer to easily access and use blockchain data in their application using subgraph. So the basically the graph is indexing your blockchain data so that you can use it and developer use it to create dApps, decentralized applications. And you can learn here from the documents in the graph